Guys, we're going to be dipping a dash today, steel dash, out of a 49 Dodge. Pretty long. My hair dryer deal. It's not a hair dryer, it's a blower, but it's got cold and the hot, works pretty dang good. Now let's get some gloves on here. It's gonna be a messy one. Got a couple little areas that are real tough to work around there. The angle's got to be so steep that otherwise it's going to trap air. Rolling it's not going to work. So I'm just going to go in at a steep angle and try to run it out and see what happens. A little sandy. Using one hit wonder. Here's the dash here, guys. Okay. Here. Just mounted a couple PVC brackets in the back here just to try to get it to get in the water here. So let's see what I can do here. Bottom out before I get to the end of this. I have to. Going to trap air there. This one came out okay, so I've got, see right there, that inside area came out real nice. But that one I do have a trapped air there, so I'm going to touch that up actually. The rest of it I think looking dang good. So anyway, this is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. Hey guys, we're doing on this day with Tsunami Hydrographics. We're dipping a little, all the interior parts, window trim, wood grain for a 49 Dodge. It's just a little ashtray holder, and I think it's on the back seat. So I'm dropping in some wood here. I got this from Sean and Tanet at Big Brain. Great people to work with. If you guys haven't done business with them, I would highly recommend them. They're active in most of the forums. there you go. Wood grain. Easy peasy, good film to work with. A little bit over 2 sprays there with a 1.8. And nailed it pretty good. I got one little air something there, but nothing to worry about. Looks really good. You guys can see it. Let me hold it right up where you need to see it. Hold it down. Have it right there. We got full coverage. I didn't back tape anything. I just dipped it. Worked out real nice. David Tsunami Hydrographics. We're out. Alright, window trim. I don't even know which one this is. Doesn't matter. Just do that. I already know I screwed up. All over it, but actually turned out good. Don't ask me how, but it did. Alright, window trim number 2, guys. Going straight in with this one. Not much to do with it. Need a flat spot probably, but it's not going to be too bad. I got enough activator on there. Not much to do with this. Besides all the slimies on it, looks pretty good. I'll show you these after I rinse them, guys. It's got the Loch Ness Monster hanging on it, but looks really good, actually. Hey guys, Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics here. Hey, I just wanted to show you the end of the video here, the pieces that turned out. So I'm going to take the camera off here and make it real quick. and just give you a little overview. I don't know. I'm going to try to go slow here with my camera so I can actually see what I'm shooting. Hopefully I got enough light on this stuff. Maybe not. Maybe not. Anyway, this is the rear window trim. See, it's all nice wood grain. Dips came out really nice. Again, this was Sean and Danetta's. I think it's a medium straight grain is what they called it, and I used dark tan under it. We were trying for something else. Here's a couple of the compartments that go inside or cover this dash right here. There's one there and one there, and these two boxes I just showed you will do that. But you can see how nice this film worked around. Gave me a real nice look. A little tricky to dip, but did this one in 2 dips after I figured out I couldn't roll it the first time. The second window trim here, this goes in the front one with a little separation piece right there. Kind of holds the, I think it's a 2-piece window, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, what you can see, this dash, this is the front of it that goes to the front windshield. So it was quite a project to get this in. I didn't cut and buff any of this stuff. Just shot it, and it came out decent. I got a couple little nibs here and there, but it's a dashboard. You know, we're not talking about a Lamborghini. So anyway, this is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. If you like the video and you want to see more of them, just let me know. I do appreciate your questions down below, so if you've got any, send them my way. I try to respond to them relatively pretty quick. I'm kind of back on pace these days, but give me a shout and I'll... Anyway, this is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. That light is right in your eyes, isn't it? I'm going to put my fat head right there. Wait a minute, hold on, there we go. There we go. Now I look like I got a halo on me. Ooh, that's cool. It's Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics.